Questioning with style. The power of interrogative pronouns. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of English grammar. Specifically, we're focusing on a fundamental aspect: interrogative pronouns. These are the workhorses of any conversation, helping us to ask questions and inquire about the world around us. Let's get started. Interrogative pronouns are very important in English. They're used to ask questions, and they always represent the thing that we don't know. There are 5 main interrogative pronouns in English: who, whom, what, which, and whose. Who and whom are used to ask about people. Who is the subject form, and whom is the object form. But many native speakers use who in both cases in informal English. Let's take a look at some examples. Who is going to the party? Whom did you invite to the party? What and which can be used to ask about people or things, but they're used in different contexts. What is used when the options are unlimited, while which is used when the options are limited. Here are a couple of examples. What is your favorite movie? Which do you prefer, tea or coffee? Whose is used to ask about possession. It helps us find out who something belongs to. For example, whose bag is this? Interestingly, we also use interrogative pronouns in indirect questions, where they're not always at the beginning of the sentence. Here are some examples. I wonder who is going to the party. Could you tell me whom you invited to the party? And that's a wrap. We've now explored the usage and importance of interrogative pronouns in English. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language, so try to use these interrogative pronouns in your daily English conversations. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy studying!